How to fix the Snapchat's camera. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix the camera on your Snapchat app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, it usually depends upon what kind of fix you're talking about, whether you want to actually enable the permissions or whether you're facing some kind of bug within the camera of the Snapchat app. We will get to all of that, so make sure to stick with me till the end. The very first thing we will do is, first of all, we will simply go ahead and open up the settings application on our phone. So be it whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS, go ahead and then first of all launch the settings app on your phone. As soon as you launch the settings app, over here you want to go ahead and then look for the option called apps, and once you tap on apps, here we will simply search for Snapchat, or else you could also simply use the search box which is on the top right corner of the screen. So tap on Snapchat over here. Once you tap on Snapchat, first of all go to the permissions tab which is say at the top of the screen. As soon as you go to permissions, you can see two options such as allowed and not allowed. So first of all, make sure that you have allowed the camera permissions. For example, tap on camera, and if it's set to don't allow or ask every time, you want to make sure that it is set to allow only while using the app or to allow every time. Once you've made sure of that, you might also want to allow the microphones and other permissions. Once you come back over here, go ahead and tap on storage and tap on the clear cache button at the bottom right corner. Now open Snapchat and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, then we're moving on to the second solution, and that is it could also likely be an application bug. So in order to fix the application bug, which usually happens on social media apps, we'll open up our respective app store. In the search box, we will type in Snapchat. So go ahead and then type in Snapchat, and if you see an update button right next to the Snapchat app, go ahead and then tap on it in order to update the app to the latest version, and most likely that would also fix the issue. If not, the other thing I would also recommend you to do is to simply restart your device. So go ahead, press the power button as well as the volume down buttons depending upon your key combinations of your phone. Restart your phone and then see if that fixes the issue, because it is likely going to refresh all of the applications. Last but not the least, what I would recommend you do is to simply uninstall the Snapchat app. So find Snapchat. If that doesn't fix the issue, uninstall it. Now go ahead and then simply open up your device's respective app store, type in Snapchat, and then reinstall the application, re-allow all of the permissions, and re-log into your account, and hopefully one of these would have helped fix the issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.